Kaya every Bilano.
Pero di naman parang.
Hi guys, I am Angie, tambay sa TikTok shop and sa Shopee. And for today's vlog, we will trying the yoga mat as I promised. Hindi ganun katibay yung grip niya, but for me it's okay na. Ganun lang naman yung exercise na ginagawa ko. And also, if this mat is water absorbent, I tried spraying alcohol and I can say naman na water absorbent siya. However, matagal lang siya matuyo. Hindi naman siya mag-iwan ng marks alcohol. And mabagal siya, although na mabagal matuyo yung water o yung liquid. I'm not sure kung dahil ba sa room namin kasi medyo maliit lang yung ventilation dito. Kaya matagal matuyo yung liquid. Ang maganda naman doon, hindi nag-stain yung hawis mo once na matuyo siya. So, I can say that it is a great product na nabili ko. If you are satisfied with this mat, I will put the link again sa description box. And if you're not satisfied, I will try to search for other mats na mas anti-slippery pa. Then I will put the link sa comment section na lang or sa description box. If that's it guys, that you enjoy our episode 3 for this vlog. And if you have some time, please follow and subscribe me in my YouTube channel and kindly follow me to my other social media platforms. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Spend wisely.